Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, Benv family. Good evening, my people. Good evening, good evening, good evening. You understand? Either you're watching this particular live video straight, either you join us or you are watching it after the live stream. Please, this is just a technical analysis breakdown. You understand? So you have to like watch this particular video from the beginning to the end so that you grab a lot of things that we're going to do today. You understand? So please, you're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. I appreciate like your time and the rest. You understand? So you have to stick around till the end of this particular video so that you get exactly what we are going to do. Clyde, you're highly welcome. I appreciate you, my brother. I appreciate you. You're here already. You're highly welcome, man. I not take your time for granted, bro. Well, so you guys know that this is the beginning of the week. Today is Monday, and Monday, this thing candlestick like remain some hours now. You understand? Sometimes now for the candlestick to close, so we are going to like maybe do. We are going to do a top-down analysis, a technical analysis, not top-down analysis again, a technical analysis. You understand? XAUSD, GPUSD, and NAS 100. That's very sharp. I'm going to do that real quick. Hi, Benv. Goddess FX, you're welcome. So, Clyde, I got you. I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to do that. Let me share my screen because my screen is already intact. You understand? It's just for me to just share the screen now like this. Then please don't forget to like the video. You understand? First of all, please like the video first. You understand? Like the video. Then if you can help me, just keep sharing the video. Yeah, you understand? Share the video for me. Help me share the video. You get help me share the video. I come on my screen. This okay. So if you attend hi, okay. If you attend that yesterday live video, yesterday like weekly top down analysis, can I see a response from you? If you attend that yesterday weekly analysis, when we are doing analysis on gold, can I see a response from you, please? Real quick, can I see a response from you? If you attend that yesterday weekly top down analysis, can I see a response from you? If you attend that yesterday weekly top down analysis, can I see a response from you? And if you not attend, okay, yeah, because yes, I know you attend. You understand? Glad you attend. You attend that yesterday weekly top down analysis, and this is the prediction that we get that I give yesterday, and this is how it's playing out. And I told you guys that the market will like come to this particular since like yesterday the market is around this particular area when I put this particular buy order. You understand? Then I told you guys that the market will make a double top here. You understand? Then go to the downside. Is this afternoon? You understand? Around towards New York section that I enter this particular trade. You get I enter the trade on my phone, then come to the chart and I enter it here. You understand? So as you can see, TP hits, and I predict this particular inner support level, that the market will come to this particular inner support level and give us something like a W pattern. Then it will move to the upside. And just watch how this particular analysis is going to be. You understand? This is exactly what I'm going to like. This is exactly what the market is going to do. Immediately as I come on my chart during that close to New York section around that kind 10, 11 to 12, I think. And I see this particular the market approach that last week resistance level, and I see the market will like respect it. You understand? Then actually the market respect and give me exactly what I want. I document the video. You understand? I document the video and I'm going to post it either tomorrow or next tomorrow, because I'm not going to like maybe rush my post again, because that post is not getting the type of view that I want. You understand? So I'm not going to rush my post anymore. So this is exactly how it's playing out. You understand? All the predictions from yesterday down to this particular today on, everything is playing out. So now like this, we are going to like do that. I'm going to show you guys exactly what gold is going to do. You understand? Since you say I should analyze XAUSD DPUSD and as 100. You understand? I'm going to like break everything down so that all of us will see how it's, you understand, behaving. You get, that's exactly what we are going to do now. So this is it here. This is it here. Let me show you what gold is doing, what gold will do from today to tomorrow before like till this week end. You understand? Because already I've seen the direction of the market. I've like predicted, because I know even as I enter this particular buy yesterday, I told you guys that the market will not just go straight to this particular resistance level, because the market will reach this resistance level, then come down, you understand, to this particular inner support level. And the inner support level, a lot of people will buy from this particular inner support level. That's the reason for this spike you see to the downside, you understand. So the spike is to like stop people that will buy from this particular support level out, but I don't like, because I know how a clean W pattern from this particular support level, then with a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then I'll enter the trade. And if I enter the trade, either maybe I'll share it on my WhatsApp status, or I'll just document it and post it. You understand? Because all I want to be doing on this particular channel, not to be showing you guys my trade, you know, but show you guys what exactly how I analyze my chart. And I told you guys yesterday that no matter how the market comes down range, there is no way the market will come below this particular spike to the downside, because this spike is not just a normal spike, it's a spike that is a stop loss hold, you understand. So you need to like know and stick to your chart and know how to do a simple technical analysis, you get, so that you won't be a victim of, you understand, liquidity sweep, you understand, because this particular spike is just nothing but a liquidity sweep. You just sweep a liquidity from this particular support level. And I told you guys yesterday, when the market, when I see a bullish engulfing candle, you understand, a bullish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame immediately after the sweep out, you understand, and I told you that it's going to move from here, but before it goes, it will come to this particular inner support level, then give a W pattern, you understand, before we see another move to the upside, you understand. So that's exactly what we're going to see. But first of all, let me go to daily time frame. Let me see how today candlestick is trying to close. You understand? I'm going to hide everything from the chart. I'm going to hide everything from the chart. Then let me do the analysis fresh. Although the market is, I told you guys, yeah, same thing yesterday. In the market give this particular long week, but don't mind this particular long week. All this long week is just to like lure people, like deceive people to enter for a sale around this particular area, you understand. Although this the market these days is unpredictable, you understand, but with your technical analysis you can predict the market, you get. With your technical analysis you can predict the market. The market these days is unpredictable, you understand, but with your technical analysis, your genuine technical analysis, you can predict the market, you understand. So this is exactly what me I'm saying, you understand. The market is still giving us a bullish candle. There is no in like there is no any bearish candlestick here, you understand. And even if we see a bearish candlestick, let it be bearish, bullish, a bearish engulfing candle, you understand, before we see that yes, the market will move from this particular area to the downside. If not until then, this is where the market is going to like, I don't, okay. There is a drawing on it already. This is where the market is going to like a reverse from. You understand? We'll see a little retracement from this particular area. You understand? Down to this particular major support level. Hmm? Should I? Okay, let me decline some of the drawing, or let me hide it because I still need it. So the market will like from this particular resistance level here, the market will reach the resistance level, make a clean double top, you understand, then come down. And if I put this thing now, everything will, okay, what exactly am I going to do? What exactly am I going to do? Okay, let me do this, let me do it this way. Okay, I'm going to delete everything. Okay, let me see if I'll bring it back. Okay, I bring it back. Okay, then take it back. Okay, so this is exactly what the market is going to do. This is the double top here, you understand. The market have not yet click go into the double top completely. So all these things that you are seeing is just to like push people in for a sell, then it will spike to the upside, tap on this particular major double top before it will like retest, you understand, as it's going to this particular area like this is the main double top here. The market will come to the double top, retest this particular inner support level before we'll see another push, you understand, to the upside, just something like this, you understand. So please don't fall victim for this particular thing that is happening, you understand. Don't fall victim. Don't fall victim. Don't fall victim. All you need to do is to learn a simple technical analysis, how you do your own simple technical analysis, and I'm here to walk you through on that, you understand. I'm here to walk you through on that. If you listen carefully, you understand how to do your simple technical analysis, because that's what exactly I'll be focusing on since I start my live stream. This is exactly what I've been focusing on, except if I maybe talking about another thing different. But if you watch most of my live stream, is how to like teach you how to do your own technical analysis, because if you know how to do technical analysis, the market will not be whining you understand. And there are a lot of video under my channel, you understand, that you learn how to do your own simple technical analysis from, you get. So network. The network, is it from my side or from your side, from you guys side? The network, is it from my side or from your side, please? Let me know. The network, is it from my side or from your side? If you can let me know, the network, is it from my side or from your side? Because Adibi, the network is from my side, your side, my side, and MT5 trading view is working perfectly. Network from my side and trading view is working perfectly. I don't know. Is my voice skipping? Is it my voice that is skipping or what? Is it my voice that is skipping or what? Is it my voice that is skipping or what? What exactly? How you seeing it there? How you seeing it? Because I have nothing to confirm it from my end here. So how are you seeing it? Yeah, but is the network clear now? Is it clear now? If it's clear now, just let me know. If the network is clear now, just let me know. Let me know real quick so that we'll continue. If the network is clear now, just let me know so that we'll continue. If the network is clear now, just let me know so that we'll continue. Okay, carry on. That's very great. That's very great. So this is it here. You have to like learn about technical analysis. If you learn about technical analysis, nobody is going to whine you. You understand? And the market is not going to whine you anymore. You get it? Because even if you pay a mentor to teach you, it's not the mentor is not going to teach you anything apart from technical analysis. You understand? Because even your mentor don't know fundamental analysis. All they do is to just predict the news based on their own, based on technical analysis. You understand? That's how they do it. But the secret you guys should not know is because you are not like you are not fully inside the game. You understand? That's the reason why you don't know the secrets. Even those mentors, they don't know the fundamental analysis. All they use to predict that game, you understand, this particular trade, all they use to predict news is based on technical analysis. And just watch anytime there is news and any trader, any guru is trying to go live and trade with you guys, just see how it's going to do it. He's going to do his technical analysis, you understand, then show you guys what he will be expecting. It's just from the chart that we will be expecting technical analysis very serious, is because all these people that you are seeing, that you are looking up to, all they do is look at the chart and then predict the direction of the market. Because even technical analysis respects even fundamental analysis respect technical analysis, because before that fundamental analysis come outside, there is a way the market will form. You understand? There is a signal the market will give that yes, the news that is coming out will be a buy, and the news that is coming out, or the news that will come out will be a sell. You understand? That's how it works. So you yourself, you need to like learn a lot about technical analysis. And what I always preach to you guys is trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You understand? It's not something that will make you rich overnight. So please, if you have that mindset of I'm going to make this also amount 2026, I'm going to make this also amount before the year end, please, you have to remove it from your head. I know the truth is bitter, but I have to tell you guys who are my viewers the truth. You understand? The truth is bitter, but I'm not here, I'm not on this particular space to lie to you guys. You understand? So let's continue. So this is it here. This is daily time frame, and what exactly are you seeing on the daily time frame? The market is still closing bullish. You understand? In less than 1 hour 16 minutes now, the market will close. In less than 2 hours 16 minutes now, this particular daily candlestick will close. If you go to the lower time frame, like 15-minute time frame, what exactly are you going to see? Then we go to 15-minute time frame. What's happening? Obstructing my, distracting my listening. Okay. So this is 15-minute time frame. You understand? The market is moving from down here. Maybe this is a resistance level, but the market will like manage and close bullish. You understand? On the daily time frame. And once the market manage and close bullish on the daily time frame, expect the market to go to close bullish tomorrow until we see a bearish candle, a little, even if it's just a little bearish candle. You understand? Before we like have another mind of the market is not going up. If not, I'm expecting the market to come to this particular resistance level. Just get me right. You understand? Get me very, very, very right. I'm expecting the market to reach this particular double top, clean double top before we see any retracement to the downside. Make give us a W pattern before we see a push to the upside. You understand? Even if you do not see a W pattern, but if the market comes to this particular inner support level and you see a bullish engulfing candle, then you have to follow it to the upside. It means the market is going up to create another all-time high. You understand? So let's go to 4 hour time frame. Then we'll predict like then we'll mark our support and resistance level for tomorrow entry. You understand? Because we have to like predict what the market will do tomorrow. Here is our support level, and as you can see, the market moved from this particular area. You understand? To make to tap on this particular support level. Now, what exactly are you seeing? The market is moving from this particular support level to the upside. So what I'll be expecting tomorrow is a little, maybe if this particular candlestick close bullish, then it will be a little retracement. You understand? Then the market will break above this particular resistance level and tap on this particular major double top. You understand? Before we see any break to the downside, and this is where I'm expecting the market to come to this major consolidation. This major consolidation is a strong support level. You understand? So just take it very, very serious. See the support level from this particular area. You understand? So the market will like come to this particular support level and move to the upside. That is exactly what I'm seeing. You understand? So please and please, if you don't know how to do your own technical analysis, don't let anybody deceive you. All these ICT, SMC and the rest, all of them end in technical analysis. You understand? All this fair value gap and the rest that I'm telling you, that is what they convert to other blog, this and that and that and this. You understand? So you guys need to like, I make a short video and I said, I don't know, I make it like everything I'm teaching you guys, I pour out everything, you understand, that I know in this particular game. You guys think maybe this game is just a game or a game that you just rush, you understand? Just rush it and make it and be driving Lamborghini. You understand? But it's not like that. This game is just a slow and steady game. Anybody that is putting pressure on you that yes, you have spent this year in this particular game, you have to like scale up this and that. That person is just whining you. You understand? Take a record of that person. That person is not making anything from this particular industry, because this industry like what the market, what this industry need is just a slow and steady result. You understand? So don't put pressure on yourself. Even if you are in this particular space for the past 6 years, 7 years, you are still doing the right thing. You understand? All you need to do is just find a little space in this particular in this particular wide market, just the way I find my little space. You understand? What is my strategy? My strategy is to wait for market to come to a support level, then give me a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, and I will enter. You understand? So just don't let anybody pressure you. The market, just create one particular small thing from this particular market. Don't learn all the languages on the chart. Create one small thing that you know that it always happen. You understand? Then stick to that. That will be your edge. You understand? There is no way you can learn everything on the market. No, just know, just stick to one particular thing and stick to that. I've been sticking to taking a trade with bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame for how many, for like complete 2 years now. You understand? And that is the one that I master. And if you check my description on YouTube, is master of bullish engulfing candle. That's just it. Master of 15-minute bullish engulfing candle, because I have mastered it. You get, I've mastered it. If you watch the document that I do today, the live document that I do today while I'm taking my trade, you know that yes, I don't joke with. Whenever I see a 15-minute engulfing candle or 15-minute bullish or bearish engulfing candle, I don't joke with it, because that is exactly what I study. I study. There is nothing you give your time and study for more than 1 year that you will not master it. You understand? Remove how to make money from your head, then chase the knowledge. That is just it. Don't let anybody pressure you. You understand? Maybe that person that is pressuring you, or that person that is making you feel less of yourself, that person have somebody behind him that anytime he blow account, he will get another opportunity to fund again. You understand? Maybe that person is in one business, one online business, or another. You understand, that is like funding his lifestyle and funding his trading account. Then you go to feel less of yourself, as if you don't, maybe the time have gone, you don't even know what, as if you are not trying. You are trying all your possible best, my brother. All you need to do is find a little space, just as I tell you, and master it. Then you build your edge. That's your edge. Then you build your strategy around that particular area and master it, and good and fine, you are good to go. That is just it. Let me see. Market went according to your prediction, but I couldn't catch any of them. It went according to my prediction, my bro, exactly the way I predict it. You understand? But even me sef, I can't, like, I did not catch that particular buy, but I catch a sell. You understand? And I document everything. Then as the market come to one particular minor support level, I still take a buy. You understand? On my 10K account, I catch a sell when the market, like, I catch a sell. I'm going to show you how it look like on the chart. I catch a sell. You understand? When the market is going to the downside, then when it reach one particular minor support level, it give a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, and I enter for a buy. So I make profit from that particular buy, but that particular the sell hit me out in a little profit. You understand? Before it go crazily again in my favor. But I document everything, because I love documenting everything. You understand? I document it, and I'm going to, like, publish it either tomorrow or next tomorrow, anytime at all. You understand? So all the prediction yesterday work out. Even on NAS sef, NAS is like trying to move to that particular fair value gap that I predict, and I don't think it has reached that particular area. Maybe it will reach there tomorrow, and it will set to the downside, just the way I predict it, because I see it and I know the direction of it. You understand? That's the reason why I say 2026, all you need to do is study, know exactly what you are doing then before you scale up. That's just it. So don't let anybody pressure you. Even if you spend 10 years in the game, you are still very, very okay. You are still very, very correct. You understand? So thank you. I love the way NASDAQ always move. NASDAQ move very, very nice. And just the way I tell you understand? If you can be able to know how to do your technical analysis, Technical analysis work on every particular market, even both on crypto, future, any particular trading dis thing platform you find yourself, any particular game you find trading game you find yourself. Technical analysis work in all of them, you understand. So just learn about how to like analyze the chart very very well, and you are good to go, you understand, and you are good to go. Even if you pay a mentor to teach you, that particular mentor is not going to teach you the main thing that will make you profitable. The only thing is going to teach you is the technical analysis, you understand. So don't be in a rush to pay a mentor just because you want to make it very fast. If you have the mind of making it very fast from a particular industry, there is no way you are not going to like be frustrated. Like I'm telling you guys the bitter truth now. If like I'll be telling you guys the bitter truth too. That's just it. That's just it. So this is my prediction tomorrow. Let me complete it very very quick. This is my prediction tomorrow. The market will come to this particular area. You understand? The market will come to, just as the market have tapped on this particular support level, it will move slow and steady to this particular resistance level before we see a spike to the downside, you understand, or it will break to the upside. But I'm predicting a sell to the downside whenever the market comes to this particular resistance level, you understand. So I'm predicting a sell to the downside regardless. This is exactly what I'm predicting. This is exactly what I'm predicting. When the market manage reach that particular all-time high, you understand, before the market could be able to break above this particular resistance level, it will come down to this particular support level and gather enough momentum first before it will like have that energy to climb this particular resistance level. So just be very very careful. All you need to do tomorrow, wait for the market to give you a W pattern on the 15-minute time frame or bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, and you enter your trade for a buy. Then give your trade a breathing space, you understand, and you see the results. That's just my secret. That's just my this thing, my how is it called? That's just my strategy, you understand. And I told you guys the market will try as much as possible to close bullish, you understand, because the what exactly he's trying to do have not yet, it has not yet completed, you understand. Maybe if the market open now, you see the market will move from this particular area like this. You see, maybe since the market have moved from here, it will reach this particular resistance level, it will manage reach that particular resistance level, come down, then move like this tomorrow. This is exactly what you are going to see, you understand, because this is a support level where the market will move from, you understand, to the upside tomorrow. So just watch out, you understand, watch out, watch out, watch out. So what's the next pair that you guys say that I should analyze? What is the next pair you guys say that I should analyze? Real quick, real quick, real quick. I'm going to delete these ones. Then the so watch out for this particular support level tomorrow. Watch out, watch out. You understand? Let me, if I could bring this particular thing out again, yeah, okay, this is it. This is it, man. Yeah, this is it. So watch out for this particular support level. You understand? Watch out for this particular support level tomorrow and take your buy from here to the upside. That's exactly what the market is going to do. You understand? So the next pair that you guys want me to analyze, please, your advice, please, you advise me, please. What's the problem? Just tell me. Let me see, let me see. Please, you just, please, just today it give two setup according to my strategy, but my problem now is fear to enter. Okay, please, you advise me, please. Today I enter good sell, but social media we were predicting buy. Can you imagine? Social media we are predicting buy. I jump out, but guess what? Guess what happened? That is the winner of the day massive. That is the winner of the day. Massive 1 to 5 plus. Can you imagine? That is the like you are good. This is exactly what I always tell you guys. Social media, social media, social media. All they are doing, like you are even much more better than all these people. You understand? There is a day last 2 years, I enter a buy on GBP. Immediately I enter that particular buy, the market is running in profit. You are not the only one. I know you are just a newbie in this particular industry. The market is going in my favor. You understand? And all of a sudden, I see by then I see the Jeffrey Benson Telegram group. I see Jeffrey Benson say sell GBP. Immediately I see that sell GBP, fear grab me. I say me that just enter for buy. They say that they should sell GBP, and guess what? It's Jeffrey Benson now. So I have to close my own and enter for sale. I have to close my own buy, I enter for sale. And guess what happened? The market buy aggressively. The market buy massively. You understand? So since then, I know that what exactly I'm doing, I'm even much more better than those mentors. And let me tell you the difference between you and those mentors. The difference between you and those mentors is because them, they have been in the game for long. You understand? They know the in and out of this particular game. They have the resources that you don't have. They have plenty this thing. They have the kind like they have money, so they are not afraid to enter any particular trade. You understand? If they lose their account, they will still refund. You understand? And they are consistent. Maybe you are not consistent, you will be afraid to lose, because if you lose your account, you will not see another account, you will not see another money to fund your account and the rest. You understand? That is the only difference that you have with those people. If not, your technical analysis respect what you are doing. You understand? Don't let anybody, don't let any influencers, because those influencers sef is not all of them that is making money from the market. Most of them are making money from their social media and from affiliate marketing. You understand? They sell, like they refer you and they get commissions. You understand? That is where they are getting their money from. You understand? The real source of their money, they are not going to tell you. So why will you neglect your own technical analysis that you do from your heart? Yeah, I will even advise you cut off most of them that give signals. You understand? Cut them off. Stick to somebody that motivates you to stick to what exactly you are doing. If not, until you stick to what exactly you are doing, to what exactly you are doing by yourself, there is no way you are going to discover yourself. You understand? You discover yourself when you cut them off and stick to what you are doing, either bad or good o, anyhow e be, let it be till you master it. You understand? Let it be till you master it. Can you imagine now you lost a clean trade because of social media noise? Those people that don't take a trade, that just predict unnecessary prediction, because they know say regardless if they predict buy, either the market will buy or it will sell. They don't even go deeper in making research. Just the way just the way you do your thorough technical analysis, their own is to just come predict it. Okay, now tomorrow now, maybe during what they are doing, like it's just like maybe during rainy season, you just come to your social media handle and you say there must be rain today. You understand? And that is during rainy season, and probably maybe rain fall that particular day. Then people will come say, this guy can predict. To you understand? That's just it. That's exactly what they are doing. You understand? Why you yourself that is even predicting it don't know the direct, don't know what is going to happen. You just said it out of, just because you know that there might be rain or there might be not rain. That is what almost all pastors do. They predict things. Oh, that's what the word is. You understand? Once they can be able to lie, that's just like they know how to lie, and they know that people will fall for it. But person like me cannot fall for it anymore. Just know exactly what you are doing. Now you have missed clean 1 to 5 now because of somebody, because of social media noise. I swear to God, even happy forest cannot give me signal, and I will never ever. My strategy is enough for me, man. You understand? My strategy is enough. If my strategy will give me lost, let it give me lost. You understand? If my strategy will give me lost, let it give me lost. Let me relearn. Let me learn. You understand? So please and please, my advice for you is to cut off any particular social media that is making you to be adopting your own analysis. You understand? I don't want anything. I don't want negative or any interaction. You don't need negative environment. You just need an environment that will motivate you to stick to your own plan. That's just it. Because it's only your own plan that is going to make you, like, take you to the level that you want in this particular space. You understand? The fight is not between you and any other person. Nobody is coming here to fight the fight for you. Nobody is coming to the chat to fight the fight for you. You be the one to fight the fight. You understand? The fight is between you versus the chat. I don't know if you are getting me. The fight is between you versus the chat. So don't let the interaction, you understand, from the social media make you feel less of yourself. You understand? That's what we don't discover. That's what exactly I don't discover early. But me, I thank God I discover it early. And I'm not here to like mislead anybody. You understand? If you know how to do your own top-down analysis and technical analysis, stick to your technical analysis. All you need to do is to just come here, ask me a question. You understand? If you ask me a question, Benv, analyze this particular pair for me. You understand? Then I'll analyze it. If it corresponds with what you analyze on your chart, then fine and good. You are good to go. You understand? And if it's not corresponds, still stick to what exactly works for you, man. You understand? What work for you might not work for me. You understand? So you don't even supposed to like. My own is to just abeg o, make I no vex o. You understand? Make I no vex, make I do this shit here. Oh, it not fit here, man. It's not fitting. If man, I want to create. So the goal is not like you not allow anybody to like make you feel less of yourself. You understand? But I don't allow any forest influencer or any forest mentor to feel less of yourself. You understand? What exactly you are doing on the chat is clean and clear. You understand? But so please, 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 you understand? Stay away from negativity. Anybody around you that is making you feel less of yourself, omo, cut that person off, because this particular game is stressing. The stress in this particular game is enough. You understand? So please and please, please and please. So ask another question. Let's dive into it. Now, like this, you have missed 1 to 5, 1 to 5 RR just because an influencer predict a market. Do you think they even know exactly what they are doing? They don't know. You understand? It's just like a random prediction. They don't know. They don't even know how to do that. You have passion for the game. Then they don't have the passion anymore. They have the money. You understand? So don't let anybody feel less of yourself. Since that year, last 3 years, that Jeffrey Benson make me lose a clean trade, I stopped taking trade from mentors, from their signals. You understand? So ask a question, ask a question, ask a question. Okay, USDJPY. I'm coming back to this particular USDJPY real quick, real quick. Let me see, let me see. It's very true. All right, that's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Then let me see. It's very true. Every one of us are just all speculating. We are just all speculating. Like we are just all like predicting. You know, see, I swear to God, but these people, if you deep down, you understand, you know that the only thing that they have that will, if you deep down, you understand, those mentor, you like, if you go closer, you know that the only difference between you and them is just the resources. You understand? If not, you and them are doing the same thing, clean and clear, same thing. You understand? They might predict buy while you are in the sell and it will go in your favor. They might predict sell while you are in the buy and it will go in your favor or in their favor. You understand? All you need to know is to just develop passion for this particular game so that you know exactly what you are doing. You understand? Whatever you are doing, just open your eye, close like open your eye widely and know how the market work, know the direction of the market by yourself, not don't depend on anybody prediction and you are good to go. You understand? Ask another question, ask another question. I'm aggressively active now like this. I'm aggressively active. I also have fear in me. How do I deal with that? I will see. Let me see. Clyde, please don't be angry. Don't be angry. I'll come to GBP. I'll come to JPY USD. Please don't be angry. Let me answer him. So the next question you say, Godin. The next question you say, I also have fear in me. How do I deal with that? I will see the setup, but I will afraid to enter. The reason why how you deal with this particular type of fear is riskless. You understand, ba? Riskless, and you have to be trading your strategy like a robot till you master your strategy. That is the reason why you have to be risking less. So the risk amount that you know that if you lose this particular amount, it's not going to like get to you, it's not going to make you feel depressed. You understand? Just risk little amount and be like, you understand, taking it slow and steady. Trade your strategy like a robot. You understand? Trade it like a robot until you master it. Master how it work, master how many risks to reward it give, master how far it will go before it will come down to your SL. You understand? Then just keep like repeating the same thing until you come out of this particular fear. If not until you build trust around your strategy, there's no way you come out of this fear. And before you build trust around your strategy, you need to be testing your strategy with small amount of money. You understand? Small amount of money that if you lose it, you will not be depressed. You understand? Then you die the fear in you. That's just it. You understand? That's just it. Let me see your response. You say what? This is very powerful. Know what you are doing. The keywords. Okay, that's just it, my brother. Know exactly what you are doing and take your signal, like take your setup, like take your strategy like a robot, and you are good to go. Nothing more than that, bro. Nothing more than that. You understand? Nothing more than that. Let me see another question. Let me see another question. The next question is, at the beginning, I used to try each and every strategy out there, each and every strategy out there in the market from support and resistance to SMC, and later find out I only had to be consistent in my first length strategy. It took me 3 years. Let me read it again. At the beginning, I used to try each and every strategy out there in the market from the support and resistance to SMC, and later find out I only had to be consistent in my first length strategy. It took me 3 years. Okay, according to how I understand this particular this thing, tennis. See, at first you are not wrong, oh, you understand? At first you think all these people, they will say this is the best strategy in the world, this is the best strategy in the world, this is the best strategy in the world. It's for them to go viral on social media. You understand? Even some of them that is even talking about that particular best strategy in the world, they are not using that particular strategy. You understand? Do you get? Social media is not real life. But most of them that is saying in between, how was your day? Thank you, love, from India. Oh my God, I don't know. I don't understand this particular one that you've seen. So, see, what you say is very very correct, you understand. At the beginning you will be testing every strategy, and it happens to every beginners, you understand, it happens to every beginners. But time will come that you just come back to your normal senses and you say, I need to stick to one particular strategy o, you understand. That is when the journey will begin, you understand, that's when the journey will begin. So 3 years in the game, and now you have found yourself fine and good, stick to your game, stick to your strategy and master it very very well, and you are good to go, you understand. So that is just it, that's just it my brother, just continue doing what exactly you are doing, and that's just it man, that's just it, that's just it. Then what again, to understand that little but powerful thing, like that's just it. Understand that the only strategy that will work for you is the one that you develop by yourself, you understand. The only strategy that will work for you is the one that you develop by yourself, you understand, not the one any guru develop, you understand. Because there is a psychology behind every strategy, you understand, there is a psychology behind every strategy, you get ba. So learn, like study the market till the level that you like develop a strategy by yourself and stick to that, and you are good to go, that's just it, period. Nothing more than that, nothing more than that. I need another question, okay, that's very great, you get, okay, you say yes, that's very great, thank God you get it. So Clyde, I don't know if you are still active. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you so that we'll dive into the analysis that you tell me. Real quick, you say JPY USD. You say JPY USD. Let's dive into it real quick. If you're active, just let me know. Clyde, if you're active, let me know, because I just plan to have to spend just 1 hour on this particular live stream, and I've spent about 46, like 47 minutes. Means I have less than how many minutes now to spend. So if you're active, just let me know. If you're active, just let me know. We'll just analyze only XAUSD. We'll analyze only XAUSD, and I've given you guys my own prediction, my own what exactly I'm looking out for. You understand? What exactly I'm expecting on XAUSD tomorrow. I've given you guys, not because of my own and dump your own, you understand. Make sure you do your own due diligence analysis, you understand. Then follow your trading plan, and follow your strategy. That's the only way you can win, you understand. 2026 is around the corner, and you don't need to like take, like there's no time, you understand, there's no time. I know all of you have made your 2026 this thing a plan, so just stick to it man, stick to it, and be very very aggressive man, because there is no time. Before you know, 2026 will pass and you will not achieve what exactly you write down, all in the name of, you understand, you not take it serious. So let me see. Okay, since Clyde is not active, I'll be waiting for him to be active. We have less than 12 minutes to go, so let me analyze JPUSD real quick. Let's see what JPUSD is doing. Where are you from, brother? I'm from Nigeria, my bro. From Nigeria. Man, I'm from Nigeria. So since Clyde is not active and I have not gotten any question yet, I'm going to like analyze JPUSD. Let me analyze JPUSD, show you guys what I'm looking out for on JPUSD real quick. I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking out for on JPUSD. Network problem. Okay. Now it's okay. All right. It's like I'll still start just oh my god. See all the prediction that I give, man. Abeg just see all the prediction, all the prediction all the pair that I predict, see the way the prediction work. See how well the prediction played out, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. You see how well everything played out. See how well everything played out. See how well everything played out. Mm. See how well everything played out. See how well everything played out. Taste of mystery. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. See how well all that yesterday prediction played out, man, bro. See, XAUSD played out clean and clear. NAS 100 played out clean and clear. It's still running. You understand? Then this is GPUSD. No, don't worry. We are going back. We are going to analyze NAS. You understand? We are going to analyze NAS. Let me see. Let me see this your question. At first, too, I was using strategy that my psychology. At first, too, I was using strategy that my psychology, but now I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. First, the RR was not good, but now with this strategy I use right now, the least RR is 1 to 3. That's very good. Know exactly, know the RR, know how many risks to reward your strategy give is the only thing that will save you in this particular game. You understand? Know how many risks to reward your strategy give is the only thing that will save you, because you might think, you might be like waiting for higher RR and the markets cannot go beyond maybe 1 to 2 and you are expecting 1 to 5, and your strategy cannot give more than 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. You will suffer, you understand, before you, if you are not very very calm and wait for and know how your strategy work, you will suffer in the game. You understand? Me, I study my strategy to the level that, to the core, and I know that yes, 1 to 2 is very clean. You understand? 1 to 2 with my strategy is very very clean, so I stick to 1 to 2. And if I want to hold anything more than 1 to 2, I will first of all put it on break even, then let it run. That's just it. And it's rare, not regular, man. Not regular, not regular. It's rare because I'm not greedy. I'm not that greedy. You understand? I will like enter a trade. Once it give exactly what I want, I'll just step out of the game. You understand? That's just it. That's just how I play my own game. That's just how I take my own trade, man. That's just it. That's just it. That's just it. So let me see. Taste of mystery, you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming, man. I appreciate your coming. I appreciate your coming. Let me see. You say NAS. Okay, let's analyze NAS. But before I analyze that NAS, I would like to analyze GPUSD. But GPUSD no need too much analysis, because what I predict, that's exactly what is playing out now. You understand? Exactly what I predict is what is playing out. I told you guys that the market will like come to this particular area, come to this particular support level, then we'll see a push to the upside to this particular resistance level. And what exactly are you saying? The market is moving from this particular support level now to the upside. You understand? That's it. I'm expecting the market, and just as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the market closed with bullish engulfing candle. I'm expecting the market to like go to this particular resistance level before we'll see either it will break to the upside or it will break to the downside. But from today till tomorrow, the market will keep pushing up. You understand? Breaking below this particular support level cannot be easy for the market, and even if it break below this particular support level, it cannot break below this particular support level, but breaking below this particular support level cannot be easy for it. So it's going up now. You understand? It's going up. But regardless, before I say anything, let me see how today candlestick close. Let me see how today candlestick is trying to close. I told you guys that you guys should not mind this particular candlestick, because this aggressive move from down here, I analyzed everything yesterday. That yesterday analysis, that yesterday live video, if you're not like, if you did not participate on that particular yesterday live video, it will be very good if you like go and rewatch it, you understand, because there are a lot of information there that I cannot repeat all of them here, you understand, because this aggressive move from down here, I told you guys that the market is not going below this particular support level. All the market will do is to play around this area till it reach this particular double top, you understand. Then we either see it break above it or retest break to the downside. But whatever the market do around this particular area is going to this particular resistance level. That's exactly what I told you guys yesterday. And as you can see on the lower time frame, it's playing out the way I predict it. You understand? It even go far before it retraces to the downside to make, you understand, it will just work both support and resistance level. And what sent the market from this particular area down is because of this particular resistance level. So don't be surprised. The market is going to break out this time. Maybe during London section tomorrow, I'll be looking for entry. You understand? During London section, you understand. I take my trade during London section and New York section. Anything aside from that is not me. You understand? So that's just it. So I'm still expecting a buy on JPUSD, and that also goes to Euro USD. You understand? Because what exactly JPUSD is doing is what Euro USD is doing. So there's no need of wasting too much time. Let me see. If Clyde is active now, I don't know if Clyde is active. Can you analyze BTC USD once, please? Okay, so then I'm coming to that. Let me analyze, let me show you guys what NAS 100 is doing first. Let me show you guys the prediction on NAS 100. Clyde, okay. You're not active, and you have been requesting analysis on USD JPUSD. You understand? You have been requesting analysis on JPUSD. You are the first person that requests for analysis. Okay, let me do the JPUSD real quick. Let's see what JPUSD look like. Then I'll go to NAS. Let's see what JPYUSD abi. I don't know where Clyde dey get all those pairs from, but I cannot tell because it's your own favorite pair, and I'm the one that say you should come up with your own favorite pair. Is it USD JPY or JPYUSD? Let me type JPYUSD and see if they will bring it out. JPY. This is JPYUSD. Wow, that's very great. That's very great. Okay, this is JPYUSD. First of all, it has been long that we'll do. I don't even know when last we'll do analysis on this particular pair. Let me even go to the higher time frame and see if we have ever done an analysis on this particular pair. Okay, we never do analysis on this particular pair before. So this is exactly what I'm saying. You understand? This is exactly what I'm saying. As you can see, the market is on the support level, like this particular area, on the weekly time frame. But regardless, we are still going to daily time frame and see what daily time frame is saying. You understand? This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. Okay. On the weekly time frame, before you see any massive move to the upside, you still wait for this particular fair value gap to be filled, man. You still wait for this particular fair value gap to be filled. You understand? So the market will like maybe go a bit from here, then spike to this particular fair value gap before you see it push to the upside. On the weekly time frame, and this is weekly time frame, you know how long it will take before one particular weekly time frame will finish. You understand? You know how many days that is inside 1 week. You understand? And you know how many. Just let's go to daily time frame. Let's see what the market is doing. You are not a position trader. Let's go to daily time frame and see what the market is doing on the daily time frame. And it's not that far from that particular area, It's not that far. So expect the market to tap on this particular fair value gap before you see any spike to the upside, you understand, on a daily time frame. You understand? And what exactly are you seeing? What is pushing the market to the upside from this particular area is because of this bullish engulfing candle. You get, it's because of this particular bullish engulfing candle. Let me show you on the daily time frame. This particular bullish engulfing candle is what sent the market all the way to this particular resistance level. You understand? And as the market comes to this particular resistance level, let me mark it out for you so that you see it very clear. Pay close attention. You understand? Pay close attention. The market come to this particular resistance level and break to the downside. You understand? Now it's still going to that particular resistance level, but you know what? It will just do something like this. Let me clean this particular line first. It will just do something like this. Since it has moved from here to this particular resistance level, come down. It will do something like an M pattern from this particular area. Me, I'll be expecting on GBP USD. You get, this is exactly what I'll be expecting. If not until the market tap on this particular fair value gap on a weekly time frame, there's nothing you are going to do concerning buy. There is not going to be a short buy. You understand? Just a quick scalp. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? So if you are a scalper and you want to take a trade on this particular pair, all you need to do is to mark your support and resistance level from the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we'll have one particular support level here. We'll have one particular support level at this area, and there's another support level here. There's another support level here. Then all you need to do is, as a scalper, all you need to do is to wait for the market to come to this particular support level. Then you wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame or on the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, the market respects bullish engulfing candle. 4 hour time frame bullish engulfing candle very, very well. Let me show you guys what it look like. Let me show you guys what bullish engulfing candle, how bullish engulfing candle work on this particular pair. Real quick. You understand? Let me show you guys how it will work on this particular pair real quick. This is how it works. This engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? Here is a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. When the market comes to this particular support level, let me mark another one out for you. This is another bullish engulfing candle when the market is on this particular support level. You understand? Let me take it down so that you see it very clear. You guys should be respecting this candlestick. You see that my name, bullish engulfing master. I don't just bear that name for nothing. No. I'm not bearing that name for nothing. There is a level that I understand how bullish engulfing can work on this particular market before I adapt that name, before I collect that name. You understand? So don't be surprised if I'm telling you guys anything concerning bullish engulfing candle. You have to bring your ear down and understand it and see where it's always work from. You understand? So let me still give you guys another example. This is another 4 hour this thing. This is another 4 hour bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Okay, now like this, let me keep showing you. And what moved the market from this particular area is this particular bullish engulfing candle, but there is a little manipulation that go below this particular bullish engulfing candle, but it's still the one that pushed the market all the way to this particular area. You understand? So let me show you all the way to this resistance, to this place. It come down to this particular support level, give this bullish engulfing candle, go again, make a double top. Network issue. Is it network issue or what? Okay, it has back. E don come back. So this is it here. The market move from here, make a double top, you understand, then come down to this particular inner support level again, you understand, before it move all the way to this particular area, then come down, give this indecision candle and move up, you understand. Then see how bullish engulfing candle work. Since you see this particular bullish engulfing candle, you see that the market come down and take out the low of this particular bullish engulfing candle? No, you understand. Then the market went all the way to this particular area and come down to this particular support level. Anytime the market wants to move from a major support level, you must see a bullish engulfing candle, either on a 4 hour time frame either on a 1 hour time frame on a daily time frame on a 15-minute time frame any time frame at all. Bullish engulfing candle respect it, you understand. Bullish engulfing candle respect it. So you have to like take it very serious if you want to like use bullish engulfing candle, but just know who bear the name, you understand. Just know who bear the name, you understand, and just know who always come alive and preach about bullish engulfing candle. Give me my credit, you understand. Give me my credit whenever you want to use it. Anytime you want to use it, bullish engulfing candle on your chart, just know that yes, Benv always talk about this particular bullish engulfing candle. Let me try it. You get, I have to like, you have to like give me my credit. Even if you not send it to me direct, send the credit to me direct. Just say it in your mind. The VFX always preach about this bullish engulfing candle. You understand? And it always work. You get. So that just it. So let's see another one. I think so. Clyde, the market is on, is at the middle. So all you need to do is wait for the market to come to this particular support level. You understand? Wait for the market to come to this particular support level before you look for a buy. You understand? Before you look for this particular resistance level, because this particular market now is at the middle. Wait for the market to come to this particular resistance level. Give you something like an S support level. This is exactly what the market will do. Presently is at the middle, so there's nothing you are going to do now like this. All you need to do is mark out the support and resistance level the way I mark it out, then wait for the market to come to any of them, you understand, either resistance level or a support level before you look for your entry, because I know you have your own strategy intact, you understand. So that's just it. If you understand the analysis, just let me know that you understand so that we move to another topic real quick. If you understand if you understand it, just let me know. If you understand the analysis, let me know real quick. Let me know. We are going to NAS 100 now. I'll be waiting for your response. We are going to NAS 100 now. Okay. Means you have respond. Means you understand exactly what I'm saying. Mark your support and resistance level just the way I mark it. Then wait for the market to go to that resistance level before you enter for a sell, or wait for the market to come to any of those support level before you enter for a buy. Then risk management is the number one thing you need to put together first before you take any trade. You understand? Consider what you are risking so that you no go and over risk. That's just it. That's just it. So now like this, I'll be arranging myself and we're going to NAS 100 because I don't want to like. So this is. Let me go to NAS 100. Who asked for that NAS 100? Golden, are you still active? If you're active, just let me know, Golden. Golden, if you're active, let me know real quick. Golden, if you're active, let me know so that we'll go to NAS 100. I've spent more than what I want to spend already, so I don't need any delay again. That's very good. So let me go to NAS 100. This is it here. You understand? The market tap on the fair value gap, but not as clean as I predict it to not as clean as I predict it before we are seeing a spike to the downside. Why? It refused to fill this particular fair value gap well, and this is just like a trap. Because if you check well, if you check well, Nasdaq no dey too leave fair value gap. If you check well, Nasdaq no dey I have already check. Nasdaq always close this thing fair value gap. So this particular one that is happening is just like a trap. And you know the season that we are, the market is like unpredictable. You understand? It will be very, very hard for you to predict the market and it will go in your way. You understand? So how many pip from here to our entry this thing before the market reverse? Let me check. How many pip away from our entry? You know NAS is very, very volatile. I think it's 60 something pip, just less than how many pip, then NAS just decide to reverse. Abi this is not how they used to check the pip. Let me check. I'm going to check the pip. I'll use this particular. Okay, this is where we put the buy limit ba. Okay, then this is where the market reach. Okay, then let me bring it down, bring it down. Okay, how many pip? 57 pip. Can you imagine? In less than 57 pip, and how many pip has the market covered so far? How many pip has the market covered so far to this particular area? Can you imagine what exactly the market do? I predicted that the market will move from this about how many pip is this? Close P and L 300 or something. No, I need pip, I need pip, I need pip. 311 pip. You understand? 300, and this is 311 pip. The market have moved 311 pip. You understand? I don't know why the market refused to reach that particular area. I don't know. Why the market refused to fill that particular fair value gap. I don't know. But oh my God. But I cannot complain because please, is it in point? Is it in point? Sorry for correcting you. If you pip I'm coming. Please, is it in point? Sorry for correcting you. If pip multiple by 10, multiple by 10, multiple by 10, multiple by 10. I don't understand. There is a way you calculate pip here. You understand? There is a way you calculate pip here. There's a way you calculate pip. Let me show you how you calculate pip on this particular this thing trading view. Let me show you how you calculate pip on this particular trading view. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This is it here. You see this? The first number. You see this first number? That not this 5 this 583. That is the one you will count. The last one, you will not count that last one. The last one will not join. You understand? So as it's 5,831 here, it's not 5,831 people. It's 5,800 and it's 583 people. You understand? You will remove that last number. You get, but you remove that last number. If that is what you are referring to, you remove that last number. Then as the target is is it? This is how it look. This is it here. See the last number here. You see that point here. 583 people. You see the point before that one. So the main people is 583 people. Then see the target here. The main target is one oh my god, 1469. You understand? That's the main target. So I don't know what exactly you are saying by that point. You understand? But the point, you must leave that point. You understand? That point is not among the real people. Is the this thing is that particular number before that point. You understand? Is that particular number before that point. And if your own is not showing that point, then you leave one number, that last number, you leave that last number. That is how you calculate your pip. I don't know if you understand. I don't know if that's exactly what you are talking about. Let me see. Do you trade live account or demo account? Let me see. I mean indices are measured in points. Then if you dey multiply it by 10. I don't really understand because I've never traded indices. You understand? So I've never traded indices. So I've never traded indices. That's just it. I've never traded indices. So I don't know how their pip there is calculated. You understand? I don't know how their pip there is calculated. I've never traded indices. I'm just giving you how they calculate pip on forex Nekwe. You understand? So that's it. So now that we have seen an aggressive push to the downside, this is exactly what I'll be expecting now on NAS 100. Let me complete this particular analysis, then I'll be waiting for another question. Although the market is on this particular support level, but the support level is not that support level again. You understand? If you want to take this particular trade, you enter your trade from here. You understand? You enter your trade from here. Your stop loss will be above this particular resistance level, this particular bullish, bearish engulfing candle. Then you target either the next support level. You understand? And the next support level is around here. You understand? This is the next support level, almost 1 to 3. Let me just say 1 to 3. You get this is what you get. You understand? If you enter the trade from here, because it has give bearish engulfing candle already. And that yesterday, the reason why I told you guys that the market is going to set to the downside is because of what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. But I think the market is going to fill that particular fair value gap first. You understand? But it refused to fill the fair value gap complete before it's breaking to the downside. So if you want to enter the trade, if you want to take this particular trade, by all means, then you enter it now. But your stop loss will be above this particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? This particular bearish engulfing candle, then you expect a breakout of this particular support level. Understand? When the market break below this particular support level, it will just retest a bit, then it will spike to the downside. This is exactly what I'm expecting on NAS 100. You understand? And you know NAS 100 it take an aggressive move anytime that you want. So be very, very careful on what you are risking on this particular pair. You understand? So this is exactly what I'll be expecting from NAS 100 tomorrow. This setup, you understand? I might come to live video tomorrow to trade with you guys. You understand? But I don't know how it's going to be. If there is light, I'll come on live during London section to trade with you guys, so that you guys will see my prediction. You understand? So that you guys will see how I trade. Sorry, I type. Sorry, is typing mistake. I mean indices are measured in points. Then if you want pip, then multiply it by 10. totally different from forex because I'm trading indices but not long. Okay, 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 okay. Now I understand. Now I understand. So I've never traded that particular. That's the reason why I don't know how it works. Yeah, that's the reason. You understand? That's the reason. My strategy catch. My strategy catch the fair value gap there on 1 hour time frame. So do you enter the trade? Do you enter the trade? If you enter the trade, if you enter this particular this thing, because it's less than some pip before it reach that target that I give, but it played according to exactly what how I predict it. But if you take the trade, just let me know. If you take the trade and it's going in your favor, just let me know. And if you take the trade, just hold the trade. You understand? It's going down. It's taking an aggressive move to the downside. Golden, if you take the trade, just let me know. So I'll be expecting another question. I'll be expecting another question. Maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes, then I'll call up the live. Then maybe I'll see you guys during London section tomorrow if there is NEPA. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. Because of fear. Hope I've given you an answer to that fear. What to create that fear is to risk what you can afford to lose. You understand, my brother? Risk exactly what you can afford to lose. You get about risk exactly what you can afford to lose. Risk exactly what you can afford to lose. That's the only thing. That's the only way to kill that fear from you. Mhm. That's the only way to kill that fear from you. If you are risking less, you will not be afraid to take trade. You understand? If you are risking less, you will not be afraid to take trade. So I'll be expecting more questions, more questions, more questions, more questions. And if you have a question, if you have dropped your question, I have never replied to it, please remind me real quick so that we'll brush through it. Yes, everything go down to like if you reduce your risk, everything will be like this another question. No wahala, just bring your question, I'm here for you. If you reduce your risk, everything will run away. All those fear will run away. This psychological issue that you are talking about will run away. You understand? If you reduce your loss, don't pursue profits. You understand? Just make sure you master yourself first. How many years have you been trading life accounts? I've been trading life accounts since the beginning of my journey because I have a long approach to forex trading. Shey you get? But at the middle, as of 2023, I started trading. I trade demo accounts, but not for long. Before I discover myself, 2024, Festus Miracle. I think I've answered you. You understand? You have been asking question. I've been trading life account since the beginning of my journey, and I've spent over 4 years now in the game. I start with confirm life account with huge money, you understand, because of the wrong approach to forex trading. You get is after like that kind 1 year, from 6 months to 1 year, that I discover that yes, there's something called demo accounts, you understand, that you learn from. Then like 2 years in the game, you understand, I've not even trade demo accounts for long, because all my journey was live account or prop account, either live or prop, you understand. That's how I can be able to come to this level. If you are a beginner, how many pairs are good to trade as the trader? If you are a beginner who really wants to like master his or her strategy, the best advice for you is to stick to one particular pair. You understand? Stick to one pair. I always tell you guys what works for me. You understand? When I discover myself 2024, I stick to only Euro USD throughout 2024, and I end 2024 in profit. That's the reason why I started a journey of taking $30 to $300. You understand? Then after I grow that account to like that kind of 50 something dollar, I use it to buy 10K prop account. That 10K prop account, I think I'll take it to maybe 100K funded in prop account this year. But it look like this as if that particular this thing target will not be met this year. You understand? But next year, my next year challenge is like very, very different from this particular one, because already I'm not going to waste so much of my time on prop firm next year. You understand? My main target next year is to like take $50 by all means to prove to people who think I cannot do it. I'm going to deposit, everything will be live and direct here with you guys. I'm going to deposit $50 into my account. Everything will be transparent, and I'll grow that $50 to $5,000 before the end of 2026. That's exactly what I'm going to do, because now that is I'm not trading with fear again. I know exactly how my strategy work. I know when to enter, I know when to come out, I know how to manage trade. That's exactly what I'm going to. So that's the reason why I'm going to like go for that particular challenge next year. You understand? I don't mind blow that $50 more than multiple times. You understand? But my goal next year is to reach $5,000. Taking $50 to $5,000 next year. That's exactly what I'm going to do, and you guys will see it. That will not stop me from continue trading my prop account, but the one that I'll be documenting next year will be entire journey. You understand? But you guys, I'll keep you guys updated on how far with my account with my prop account on a live video here like this. You understand? But making a video, I'll be making video concerning my $50 to $5,000 journey next year. That one is just pure. You understand? And you guys are going to see the transparency. That's just it. That's the promise. You understand? It's a promise, because I've been in the game. I've been patient enough to like master my strategy, master how it works. You understand? From the 15th of January, I think that particular journey is supposed to start. If that journey did not start January, then it depends on how I'm seeing the condition of the market, because I've been in the game enough like for long to know when to like start any journey, you understand. So I'm going to carry you guys along, and I'll be very very active on my Telegram account channel that time, you understand. So I'll be sharing any trade that I take to my Telegram. If I lose it, we lose together, and if I gain it, we gain together. But the only promise I'll give to you guys is that the win will more than the loss. That's just it, because I know exactly what I'm doing on the chat. I'm not here for playing, and I just that's just it. That's just it. That's just it. You understand? So stick to one pair. Stick to one pair till you master exactly what you are doing. Master your strategy from one pair. If you master your strategy from one pair, then you can at least add two. You understand? 2024, throughout 2024, I trade Euro USD. This year 2025, I added XAUSD and GAPUSD. You understand? So, and if I check my this thing, my history, Euro USD give me more profit this year, followed by XAUSD. You understand? XAUSD give me more profit than GBPUSD. So the strategy that I like, I studied on Euro USD, its work on GBPUSD, and its work on XAUSD. You understand? So all of them is up in profit, and I'm using the same strategy with all the three pairs that I told you. You understand? So that's how it be. So stick to one particular pair until you master exactly what you're doing. I don't know if you're active. If you get exactly what I'm saying, just say I understood. Because I always said um I will on one board find myself adding pairs. No, you means you are not disciplined enough yet. You understand? You have to discipline yourself. Delete every other ones that you don't like. Choose your favorite pair. And beginner friendly pair is Euro USD if you want to trade. Okay, I understood. That's very great. Beginner friendly pair. If you want to trade for currency pair, beginner friendly pair is Euro USD. There is no much manipulation of that particular pair. You understand? There is no much liquidity sweep in that particular pair. It's beginner friendly pair. You understand? And if it's another pair that you want to choose, just choose anyone that you like, then stick to that and master your strategy with that. Once you master your strategy, you can spread it. You understand? So please be very very disciplined. Thank God you understand. Any question? I'll be waiting for questions. I'll be waiting for questions. Just ask your question. I will come on live tomorrow, maybe by 9 a.m. to trade with you guys. That one if they give us light too. Because the way they are doing this light of it here these days is not friendly. But my plan is to get this thing solar next year. Once I get that solar, everything will be nice. I'll get solar next year. Regardless, early next year I'll get solar. Standard one sef that will power everything that I have. Both my shop and my studio here. So if you have any pen, just drop it on the comment section, please. If you have any question, Drop it on the comment section. Drop your question on the comment section. Please also talk about prophet because 2026, if God gave us life, I purchase a prop frame account. So talk about fundedness. um Fundedness is good, but dem they don dey add all dis their rules. I have two account with fundedness. I will not say fundedness is not good. Fundedness, I don't think there is any other prop firm in this particular industry now that you trust apart from fundedness. You understand? Because the reason why you trust fundedness is not because of any other thing. Fundedness is operating in USA, and before they allow any broker or prop firm to operate in USA, means that particular prop firm or broker have their integrity is very very high. You understand? So that's the only reason why you trade with fundedness. I will just suggest fundedness for you with full chest, with with my whole heart. You understand? So, and if you want to buy fundedness, use the link in my description to buy fundedness account. You understand? Because if you like this year throughout, you understand, I focus on trading a prop account, you understand, to master my strategy and the rest. So please don't rush the process. Get that particular fundedness account. You understand? If you check my description, you see their this thing. But what of FTMO? I'm telling you the one that I know. You understand? The one that I know and have worked for me. You understand? I'm telling you the one that I know. I know very very well. I've never traded with FTMO. If you understand FTMO, just go for FTMO. You understand? I don't even understand FTMO. I've never buy account with FTMO. Between prop firm account and personal life account, which one is better to focus on? If you have mastered your strategy very very well, I will suggest you go for your life account. You understand? Go for life account, but you can trade the both of them together. You can, if you really really want to make money and you have the strategy and you want to make money, um go for funded account. You understand? Go for profit. Dat one you go just dey risk am anytime you have a anytime you see, as I say I'm going to do a challenge on a life account next year. Not that I'm not going to be trading with prop account o, because I know how my strategy work now. You understand? So next year, or like next year, I'm going to trade on my life account, and I'm going to trade on prop firm because I know how to go about prop firm now. My strategy is working, everything is intact. You understand? So I'll be trading with prop account, but I'll have a challenge. You understand? I will go about next year because I want to like see if I can do it. You understand? I like challenging myself. When it comes to something like this, I like to challenge myself if I can do it. You understand? So the reason why I have not reached that particular 100k this year is because of the way I manage and I pampered all my account, because I say I'm not going to lose account, and I'm doing a challenge of taking a 100k, getting a 100K funded account, you understand. But you see that next year, um my target is to like fund a $50 account, grow it to $5,000, you understand, with you guys. You guys will see everything from the beginning to the end, you understand. Then I will not stop trading with prop account, and you guys will be seeing my withdrawal, this thing, withdrawals from prop account next year. Dat one is sure, you understand. Dat one is sure, no be say it's not by mouth or anything. Dat one is like, is clean, you understand. When I tell you dat is sure, is sure, because I know exactly what I'm doing on the chart. I know myself now, you understand. At the beginning of this year, I don really believe in myself to this particular level, and I've stick to the game, you understand, stick to my strategy to the level that I understand it and I understand how it's work. So I'm going to prove it to you guys that yes, it will be very possible for me to flip, to like, not to flip, oh, I'm not going to flip it, because when you mention, because I don't want to mislead anybody, there are newbies, there are people who don't really understand the game, you understand. So I'm not going to mention flip, because if you mention flip now, some people will think you can put $10 and maybe make it to $10,000. As I'm going to making that, as I'm going to like embark on that journey, I'll keep on telling you guys what I've passed through, you understand, so that you not think I start that journey overnight, I just like a newbie then start a journey, no. And sef, I don't even know if the journey is going, if next year is going to favor me yet, but regardless of how it turn out to be, I'm going to turn $50 to $5,000 in your presence. I don't mind how many times I'm going to blow that $50 account, you understand, but I'm going to turn it to $5,000 regardless. That one is just, that one is just, it's just what I'm going to do. You understand? It's just what, nothing is going to stop it. If God guide us, if God give us life, you all, like all of you are going to see how that particular year is going to be. This next year that is less than some weeks now to enter. Mm, you guys is going to see. You guys are going to see how everything will go. You understand? It remains small. Make I fund that particular account this today, but I say let me still wait. I think dollar is around 1,480 something. You understand? Why that time that I'm trying to fund, but I still see wait. Let me see how far. Understand? So that's it. That's it. Any other question, please? Any other question? If you have a question, just let me know. Let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. If you have a question, just let me know real quick. Let me know if there's any question. I've spent close to 2 hours now with you guys. I've spent close to 2 hours now. And if there is NEPA, just as I said, we are going to trade together here live. Anything 9 p.m. check Benv, either if I'm live or not. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, just do it and subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that if I come on live video, you will be notified. You understand? That's just only thing you need to do. You understand? And this is the channel you can, like, you ask your question and your question will be answered. I don't think if another person is doing exactly what I'm doing. No. Are you a swing trader? No, I'm a scalper and a day trader. I'm a scalper and a day trader because I use 15-minute time frame to take my trades. If I take a trade using 15-minute time frame and the trade move very fast, highest 30 to 45 minutes, I'm out of the market. 30 to 45 minutes, highest 1 hour, 2 hour, I'm out of the market. So I'm a day trader and a scalper and a day trader. That's the type of trader I be. Do you have a business? that support your trade. Yeah, I have a business. Yeah, I have a business, and I will urge everybody watching me now to like get a job. If you don't have a job yet, get a job that will be like funding your trading journey, and you'll be using that one to be eating first. You understand? Don't just put pressure on yourself just to make money from the market to feed yourself. No, that one will make you be seeing A as B, and you'll be seeing Z as O. You understand? If you are trading to feed, you'll be seeing you see O as Z, and you'll be seeing A as C. You understand? But if you are trading with less stress, less emotion and the rest, you understand? If you are not trading to survive, just trading because you have passion for it and you know that it's something that will change your life, then there's no way you are going to rush it. The reason why people rush trading is because they don't have any other work doing. So I'll just suggest you get a work. You understand? No matter how stressful it is, just get that particular job and be doing it. Combine your job with your trading. Make your trading a side hustle, because trading is not something that is going to make you profitable overnight. You understand? So get something that will be feeding you. You understand? If you get something that will be feeding you, then if anything remain from that particular feeding, from that particular side, then you will be using that to fund your trading account. You understand? Fund your trading journey. It will be like it will relieve you from a lot of stress. If not, if you get like that kind $10 and you fund that $10, and maybe that $10 is the only thing that you have in your bank account for that week or for that day to eat, if you fund it to like maybe scale it up, like maybe double it so that at least you eat, you are going to blow it and you'll be depressed. You understand? So it will be very, very good to have a side hustle and be trading. You understand? I have a physical business, yeah, that is funding my lifestyle. You understand? And my trading journey. You get? There's nothing. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. No, no, no. I'm not here to like fake anything. You understand? Just as real as I am, people who will accept me, and people who will not accept me because I'm not lying will not accept me. You understand? But I'm well okay. You understand? I'm well okay. Yeah. So it's very, very good, my brothers and sisters, to get a job doing, so that the pressure on you will be like at least a little bit less. So if you have a question, just drop it on the comment section, because I don't think I'm going to exceed 2 hours, and that 2 hours is less than 14 minutes now. So if you have a question, please drop it on the comment section real quick. Drop your question on the comment section. Drop your question on the comment section. Then for you guys to know, I'm not just I'm not a newbie in this game. Oh. You understand? I'm not a newbie. I'm not just a beginner in this game. Because I don't post Lamborghini, it doesn't mean I'm a beginner in the game. No, you understand. But I know what I know what people believe. This is a trader. He has a Lamborghini. He has a Ferrari and the rest. But all you need to do is all those ones. They like. Do you know when they start the game? 9 to 10 years ago. You understand? How many years are you now in the game? Let me see. What's your win rate with this strategy? You don't dey ask sensitive questions. 70% win rate. I have just 70% win rate. I check it last week. I have 70% win rate with my strategy. That's for last month. So I check for last month. You understand? Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? The way the market is work, the way my strategy dey always give me profit sef, I even think it will be like that kind 80, 85 to 90% win rate. I check my dashboard that day and I see 70% win rate. I say toh, it's not bad because I've been, you know, so that's it. Just if there's any question, if there is less than 11 minutes to go, man. And don't forget to have, we'll be coming on live stream tomorrow by, let me just say, 9 a.m. You understand? Let's see what the market will give us. Let's trade together, man. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Market will stabilize tomorrow. So if we get an opportunity, we are going to trade it together tomorrow by 9 a.m. You understand? I'll be preparing from 8 a.m. down to 9 a.m. Then I'll come on live video 9 a.m. If there's any opportunity, then we'll trade it together. That's exactly what we're going to do tomorrow. So, what's your maximum risk to reward? Like 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, 1 to 2. My max is 1 to 2. You understand? And I love taking partial profits. When it's 1 to 2, sometimes I'll just take partial profit and put it on break even, thinking it will go, maybe give at least break that resistance level or go again, but it will reverse and hit me out. You understand? That's just how it works. So I always target 1 to 2. I always target 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 is like 1 to 2. I think if not only this channel, there is no any other channel that will be like responding to comments. You understand? Just like the way I'm responding to comments. Just like the way I'm responding to comments. There is no any other channel. Man, so I have less than 9 minutes to go. Less than 9 minutes to go. If there's any other question, just drop it. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. How many trades do you open per trade or per day? It depends. I don't take trade more than twice a day. You understand? And during London section, if my strategy play out, I'll enter like that kind 1 to 2. I'll enter, sometimes I'll use bigger lot size and enter one position, then be taking partial profit. You understand? Then sometimes I'll use small lot size and enter like that kind 1, 2, 3 trade. You understand? Just for me to be taking partial profit. You understand? That's how it be. You understand? Then I don't take more than 2 trade per day. You understand? But I enter maximum entry this thing. Maximum, the max I've gone is 3 position at a spot. You understand? But the risk will not be more than what, even if I take one position, the risk will not, that 3 position risk will not be more than that particular one position this thing. I don't know if you understand, if you understand. If I take a trade, if I just take one, if I enter with one position, what I'll be risking will be the same if I enter with 3 position. You understand? Enter with 3 position just to be taking partial profit and the rest. That's just it. Because me, I love taking partial profit. That's just what works for me. You understand? And that's what makes me to come out of every week profitably. Not that I don't used to have loss to. Sometimes my loss to, like, if you count my loss, it will be more than my win. You understand? But I'll still end the week in profit. You understand? And sometimes my, like, I love taking partial profit. because sometimes trade will go 1 to 2, give you 1 to 2, you understand, and your eye will be like you'll be targeting the next resistance level, and maybe the market will not reach that resistance level. If you not take partial profit when the market is at that particular 1 to 2, it will reverse against you. You understand, and maybe it will go below that particular your entry point, and you just be playing for the market to just reverse to your entry point so that you close it. No, I don't do that. I've passed that level. So once the market reach 1 to 2, I take partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even, then leave it running. You understand? Then at some point, if it will just come down and hit me out, go in my favor, or hit me out and go again and go to the opposite direction. That's just how I do it. I don't know if you understand. But once if I get my, like if I enter trade during London section and it profits, that's all for that day. Except if my first trade for the day is lost, then I'll be looking for another entry from London section to New York section. After that New York section, anything from 2 to 3 o'clock, if my strategy do not play out, then that's all for that day. Means I've ended that day in loss with that. You get? I don't know if you understand first tools. So any other question, any other question, any other question? Yes, I understand. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. Any other question? Less than 4 minutes to go. I have less than 4 minutes to go, man. So don't miss our London section live stream tomorrow, because I'm going to take it through with you guys. Yes, I'm going to take it through with you guys. And I pray that tomorrow will come out I will come out profitably, because I don't think I'm going to do any unnecessary mistakes. If I had not see set up, there's no way I'm going to trade. You guys should just come and see how, uh, just come and see how I take my trade. You understand? Just come and see how I take my trade. That's London section tomorrow. And if there is no entry during London section, maybe New York section. You understand? But just come, regardless, just come. You understand? You are going to see how everything is going to be. Because you are going to see how everything is going to be. If you don't understand my strategy from that particular live trade with you guys, you are going to understand how my strategy look like. You understand? And you are going to understand everything, everything. You understand? Everything. So tomorrow, I just choose tomorrow to take a trip with you guys tomorrow during London section. Because I just pray we'll get an entry during London section. That's just it. I pray we'll get an entry, and I pray there is NEPA. That NEPA is just my number one problem, sef. Not even the entry, this thing, not even the strategy. NEPA will be my number one problem. I swear to God, man. I don't know what these people is doing these days. During the day, they go carry light. Then during evening, they go bring light. I don't know what's wrong with them. But I just pray that new London section tomorrow, so that there will be light. I just pray, I just pray, I just pray. Mm. So I don't know. There is one of my Facebook account that I'm supposed to be going live with, but that particular Facebook account I have not reached the requirement of going live with it. So I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know, maybe I'll just make video about that. Let me see, Festus. My G, shout out to you, bro. Keep it going. One day you will reach that same level with others. Omo, is slow and steady. Thank you, my bro. Thank you. I appreciate. I really appreciate. Omo. the level we are it's just only the Lamborghini and the rest now. But you know now, you know where they start now. So I'm not comparing myself with them, but I've met so many of them life like this, face to face. You understand? Face to I don't know if you would like to join me on this particular live. Let me share this. Time don't go sef. This is almost my time to go. If not, I will just bring you up. I will just bring you up so that you come and join me here. But time don't go already, so it will be next time. I've met so many of them, all those celebrities. I've met so many of them. You understand? That is where I collect this award from. This award is no be child award o, and no be buy am. You understand? This particular funded net summit that will go, if you see the kind, all your mentors, all those your Lagos mentors that you know, I met with them. We are at the same level. The only thing that they have is the resources, my brother. They have backup, but we don't have backup. We are just building by ourselves. That's just the thing. You get? So if not because of knowledge, I for no come out. I've subscribed, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you. If not because of knowledge, I for not come out with this particular award. You understand? But there, all of them that is claiming influencer and they think they know it all. They after we take a quiz, after we answer quiz, like answer questions, then all of us know where we belong. You understand? It's not by having plenty subscribers or having plenty followers on the social media. Is what is here that we use. You understand? So oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you for your subscribing. Thank you. So see you guys tomorrow morning. I pray let there is NEPA, then we'll trade together. You understand? You see how you see my strategy, you see how everything work. You understand? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kuga Trader. Well done, brother. You're highly welcome, my bro. You're highly welcome. See you guys tomorrow by during London session. Anything 9 a.m. I'll be live. If there is light, anything 9 a.m. I'll be live so that we'll take a trade together tomorrow. Regardless of how the market is trying to be mad, we are going to like take a trade together. Let's see how it's going to be tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Wish you sleep well and have a lovely night. You understand? Have a good night rest, man. Bye for now. I salute you guys.